Who developed the classified catalog code? S.R. Ranganathan. In which year was the first edition of Triple C published? 1934. The Triple C was primarily designed for use with which classification system? Classification. Which of the following is a unique feature of Triple C? That is chain procedure. What does the term Triple C stand for? Classified catalog code. The latest major edition of Triple C was published in 1964. Which type of catalog does Triple C supports? That is classified catalog. In Triple C, the entries are arranged according to the subject and class number. The classified part of Triple C is derived from the column classification notation. Which of the following is not part of the Triple C structure? That is mark tag entry. The chain procedure in Triple C used for the generating added entries for subject terms. The book index entry in Triple C is meant for the subject. Cross reference entry in Triple C helps in referral from non-prefer to prefer terms. Triple C was originally designed for which type of libraries? That is university and college library. What is the standard format for personal author entry in Triple C? That is surname, forename. Which canon strongly influenced Triple C? Canon of assertability. What is the main principle followed in Triple C cataloging structure? Classify subject approach. Which part of Triple C deal with the title and imprint? Bibliographic section. How many part does a main entry in Triple C consists of? 4. Which entry provides detailed bibliographic description in Triple C? Main entry. The subject index entry in Triple C are prepared using chain procedure. The Triple C emphasizes the cataloging of subject content of the document. In Triple C, which of the following is not a type of entry? Subject heading entry. In Triple C, series entries are treated as added entry. The title section in Triple C includes full title and subtitle. Who introduced the concept of analytical entry in Triple C? That is S.R. Ranganathan. The structure of entries in Triple C reflects the influence of canons of cataloging. The Triple C is largely a classified and author based catalog. A distinguished characteristic of Triple C is integration with the classification system. Triple C is more compatible with the column classification system. Thank you.